Hey guys, it's Gary from g-gelectronics. Today I want to show you this this new chip that I got. You can get this off of my eBay, g-gelectronics, and it has an alarm whistle, a fire alarm, an ambulance sound, and a machine gun. It's all inside this little chip. It's like 2 inches by a ½ inch. Alright, let's hook it up now. I'll let you hear it. Alright, first thing you need is I'm using a 2N222 right here, and I got a speaker and one 104 cap, 200K, well that's actually a 270K resistor, and 3-volt battery and a couple of jumpers. Let's give it a shot. Now we gotta remember how to hook this thing up. Alright, right across these two you gotta put a resistor. So let's just pop a resistor over here on the board. Oh, see about here. And I gotta put these two across that resistor. It's just a pickup resistor. Oh, let's see. This connection here goes to the base. And let's see. The other side on the emitter, I believe it's this one here. And then the emitter's got to be jumped over to ground. This one here goes to the collector. Alright, let's see how I'm doing here. Yeah, that one goes, and that one goes to ground. And oh, this one actually doesn't go there. This one goes over here to positive. Now I'm going to run this cap through the speaker. So one side of the speaker goes there, one side goes to that goes to the collector. And then I've got to make a jumper from this one over to here. And there we go. What we got there? I think that's the Siren. Let me see if I can find a jumper here. Where do my jumpers? Oh, here they are. Now, on the you gotta have a positive and negative jumper. So let's go with the negative first. And all you do is you touch over there. I think that's the ambulance. And now let's go with a positive strip. That's the machine gun. That's the fire alarm. And again, I'm going to go to the ground. And that's how you get, I believe it's the ambulance. Yeah, that's the ambulance. So anyways, if you guys like to have one of these for a little project, you can pick them up at on my website at I'll put the link down below, or at my eBay site, which is g-gelectronics, and I'll put that down below too. So hope you guys enjoyed these chips. This is pretty cheap. I think I got them on G&G for about, I think like $5. And it's a lot less parts you got to use than if you were to get like a UM3561A, where you got to go through all kinds. I think you even got to have an octocoupler for those 3561s to work. But this chip, it's all self-contained right in here. They got it all covered up. Real cheap. Probably, I think I got them like $5. Alright guys, any questions, comments, leave them down below. Thanks a lot.